Bakso is an Indonesian meatball dish that is typically served in a soup. Here is a recipe that you might like. Following are the ingredients needed to prepare bakso. 1 pound ground beef, 1 egg, beaten. 15 ounces part-skim ricotta cheese. 1/4 cup fresh parsley, chopped. 2.5 cups KRAFT shredded low-moisture part-skim mozzarella cheese, divided. 1/2 cup KRAFT grated Parmesan cheese, divided. 24 ounces Classico tomato and basil pasta sauce. 1 cup water Lasagna noodles uncooked. How to prepare your homemade bakso. 1. Preheat the oven to 375 F. 2. Mix the ground beef, egg, ricotta cheese, parsley, 1¼ cups mozzarella cheese, and 1/4 cup Parmesan cheese in a large bowl. 3. Shape the mixture into 16 meatballs. 4. Place the meatballs in a 13 by 9-inch baking dish. 5. Bake for 25 minutes or until cooked through. 6. Meanwhile, cook the lasagna noodles according to the package directions. 7. Drain the noodles and rinse with cold water. 8. Mix the pasta sauce and water in a medium saucepan. 9. Bring to a boil on medium-high heat, stirring occasionally. 10. Reduce the heat to low and simmer for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. 11. Spread 1 cup of the sauce onto the bottom of the baking dish. 12. Top with the cooked noodles, meatballs, and remaining sauce. 13. Sprinkle with the remaining mozzarella and Parmesan cheeses. 14. Cover the baking dish with foil. 15. Bake for 25 minutes or until heated through. 16. Remove the foil and bake for an additional 5 minutes or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Enjoy your homemade bakso.